Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making an all-time favorite, a grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious all-time favorite, grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich, we have 3 nice slices of smoked ham, that's nice, and 4 slices of American cheese, yep, 1 large egg, a medium-sized sweet onion, and 2 nice thick slices of bread. Let me see if I can show you the bread. Look how thick that is, guys. Nice and thick. Perfect. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Alright, now let's slice up our onion. Now I did go ahead and sharpen this knife with our AnySharp knife sharpener, and that really works good in a pinch. If you don't have one of them, go ahead and pick one up because it's a really handy gadget to have in the kitchen. Alright, let me go ahead and start slicing this. Alright. Okay, let me see if I can peel the skin off here. Sometimes these are tough to peel. Okay, there you go. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Alright, now we're not going to use all this. We're going to only use maybe 2 or 3 slices. So let's go ahead and slice it. Just like this. Nice and thin. And we'll cut 3 of them just in case we use them. Okay. Looks like a little cone, right? Fits right back in there though. Alright, let's put this aside. Okay, let's bring in a little plate and we'll put our onions right on there. There you go. Perfect. Alright, now all we have to do is start making our sandwich. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using a non-stick skillet. And we're going to set our burner to medium-high. And we're going to put a little peanut oil in the pan. Alright, now we're going to take our onions and we're going to put them right in there. Just like this. Alright, now what we're looking to do here is just soften up our onions a little. Make them more tender, right? Alright, let's see how we're doing here. Now you can break these up if you want. I like to leave them kind of whole like that because it's easier to put on the sandwich. And some of them break up anyway, right? Alright. They're looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and lower our burner temperature down to medium. And we'll get these out of there. And we'll put them right on a nice plate. Alright. There's our onions all fried up nice. Let's put them aside. Alright, now we're going to take our ham, and we're going to warm it up. So we might be able to get 2 slices in there. Now we're looking just to warm our ham, right? We don't have to cook it. So let's just warm it up. Okay, they look nice. Alright, they're warm enough. So let's go ahead and put them on a plate. Alright. Nice. And let's take our last slice of ham, we'll put that right in there. And we'll warm that up. Okay, let's flip that over. Alright, let's flip it back. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's warm enough, so let's get that out of there and we'll put that on the plate. There you go. There's our ham all done up nice. Let's put this aside. Now lower your burner temperature down to medium-low. And you can wipe your pan out a little bit if you want. Put just a little more oil in there. Now we're going to go ahead and crack an egg in there. Alright, let's go ahead and flip our egg over. Just like that. That'll make it like a perfect eggs over easy, right? Now you could let that go until your yolk is nice and firm. And that's what I'm going to try to do here today so it don't leak all over my sandwich, right? Unless you want it that way. I like mine just a little firm. Alright, let's check, see how firm our yolk is. Alright, it's getting there. Let's go ahead and flip it back over. Let me check. That's perfect. Okay, let's get that out of there. Put that on a plate. Okay, there's our egg all done up nice. And it's just firm, you know. And that'll be perfect. So let's put this aside. And let's go ahead and take a piece of our nice bread, nice and thick. And we'll put a little butter on there, because everything tastes better with butter. And we'll put that right down in there, just like that. Take a slice of your American cheese and put that right on there. A nice slice of ham. Yep. Now don't forget to fold it in a little. Another slice of our American cheese. Another slice of our ham, right? Put it this way this time, okay? And another slice of our American cheese. Now we're going to go ahead and pile on our onions. That makes them good when you saute your onions. There's an onion down here. Let's get him back up here where he belongs. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to put a little bit of salt on. A little bit of pepper. And we're going to take our last piece of ham and we're going to put that right on top of there. And fold in the end. Now we're going to put our last piece of American cheese on top of that. Alright, now it's time for our egg, right? We're going to put that right on top of that. Perfect. And you can put a little more salt on that egg and a tiny bit of pepper. Now we're going to take our last slice of bread, right? And we're going to go ahead and put a little butter on there. Alright? And we're going to put that right on top of there, just like that. And we're going to push down on it lightly. We don't want to break our egg yolk if there's an egg yolk. If you want it yours nice and soft, your yolk, push down lightly. Alright, let's flip our sandwich over here and see how we're doing. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to flip that a couple times to get it nice and toasty. And get our butter all melted nice. Alright, let's see how we're doing on that side. We'll flip it back. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Now you're going to keep doing this until you get it toasted just the way you want it, right? Keep patting it down a little. Okay, let's see how we're doing on the other side. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Look at that sandwich, guys. That's pretty good size, right? I always make them big, you know, even though I start off small. They just keep getting bigger. Alright, let's give her a check. Flip that back one last time. Okay, that is beautiful. Okay, our sandwich is done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there and we'll have a nice taste test. Put that right on a cutting board. Look at that sandwich, guys. That's a beauty. Okay. Really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and have a taste test, because I can't wait to have a taste of this. So let's do that. Alright, here it is. An all-time favorite grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. Boy, does that look good. I can't wait to get into a bite of that. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this in half. Alright guys, let's pick this up and see how we did. Look at that yolk. That's perfect. Boy, is this going to taste good. This really is good. It's got the eggs, the ham, and the onions in there. Boy, is this going to be good. Alright, let me have a bite, because I can't wait any longer, guys. Wow, is that tasty. You're going to love these. Just go ahead and make it this way, because they're very tasty. They're easy to make and simple, but delicious. Alright, you know, to go good with this, since we're having this for a nice lunch, you probably guessed this one. I'm going to have a nice hot cup of coffee with this one. And that does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. A delicious all-time favorite. Grilled egg, ham, and cheese. What a sandwich that is. And we added onions. Boy, does that taste good. Yep, I just gotta have another little bite. Look at this, guys. Alright. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.